a problem from vector algebra, or it is said that this is the problem of three-dimensional geometry, that is of straight line and plane in vector form. And in the problem it is given that the vector equation of the plane containing the lines, two lines are given here. This is the first line and this is the second line. We have to find out the plane containing these two lines. Okay, if we write the first line in the form, this is R, this is equal to A1 plus T into B1, and the second line we write this is A2 plus S into B2. And since the plane containing these two lines, so plane must be passes through the point A1, also passes through the point A2. Also the plane containing this and this vector, so plane must be parallel to these two vector B1 and B2. Okay, so to determine the plane, we have to first find the normal to the plane, and which is given by, normal is given by the vector B1 cross B2, because these two vectors are parallel to the required plane. Now to find this vector, that is the cross product of B1 and B2, we get a determinant I, j, k. The first vector is 2i minus k, this is 2, this is 0, this is minus 1, and second vector is this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So we get, this is given by I into 1 minus j into, this is 4, and this is plus k into, this is 2. Okay, so I minus 4j plus 2k. This is normal to the plane. Now if we write, this is the normal n, if we write the equation of the plane as, which is passes to the point A1 and normal to the plane this, and the equation of the plane is r minus A1 dot n, this is equal to 0, because this is along the plane and this is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so we get r dot n, this is given by A1 dot n, and r dot n means r dot n means this is I minus 4j plus 2k, and the right side is this, and clearly in our option, in only first option, this is I minus 4j plus 2k, and all the other option there is no I minus 4j plus 2k. So our first option is correct, it is clear from this calculation. Now if we find out the constant also for broad type question, now we have to multiply or we have to calculate this dot product, and A1 is given by this. Okay, and we already get the value of n, so the dot product of A1 and n is given by 3 into 1 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 into 2. So we get 3 plus 4 plus 8, this is clearly 7 plus 8, this is 15. Okay, so we get this is 15. This is our complete answer. Also we get another answer for broad type problem. The equation is given by r minus a2 dot n, this is equal to 0. Okay, and for this case also r dot n, that is the left side is same but the right side is different, a2 dot n, because the dot product of this and this and this is given by, this is 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 into 2. So we get the result as 1 minus 4 minus 4, this is minus 7. So we get the result is minus 7 also. So we get two answers for broad type problem. But here it is given only one answer in this option. So this option is correct. Okay, very important type problem of straight line and plane in vector form. Thank you for watching.